Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up WordPress site with UpdraftPlus, complete guide step by step clearly. To back up your WordPress site using UpdraftPlus, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Add New. In the search bar, type UpdraftPlus. Once it appears, click on Install Now. After installation, click on Activate. You will now see an UpdraftPlus option in your dashboard. Click on Settings under UpdraftPlus. In the settings, you will find several options for backup frequency. Choose your preferred schedule for both files and databases. Next, select a remote storage option for your backups. You can choose from options like Google Drive, Dropbox, or S3. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your remote storage account. Once connected, return to the UpdraftPlus settings page. Scroll down to the Backup Now button. Click on Backup Now. In the dialog box, you can select whether to include your database and files in the backup. Make your selections and then click Backup Now again. The backup process will begin, and you can monitor its progress. Once completed, a confirmation message will appear. To check your backups, go back to the UpdraftPlus dashboard. You will see a list of your completed backups along with their timestamps. If you need to restore from a backup, select the desired backup from the list. Click on the Restore button next to it. Follow the prompts to restore your database or files as needed. Always ensure to regularly back up your site to avoid data loss. That's how to back up your WordPress site using UpdraftPlus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.